The CedCommerce support system and support help is tremendous. Hello, my name is Hans van Putten. I own the Studio40ParkLane brand. I've got my own store on Shopify and I've got an Etsy store. I started the e-commerce business on Shopify and Etsy approximately 2 years ago, and I started with selling phone cases. After I set up both stores, I quickly realized that being a one-man show, it was virtually impossible to create, design and publish phone cases or any other product for that matter on my own. So I started looking for different apps that would help me with that. After testing various different apps, I landed on CedCommerce, especially in the beginning, but even now, the CedCommerce support system and support help is tremendous. Some of the parts that are very helpful, just to list a few, already mentioned the syncing between Printify and then Shopify, then the setting up of the templates, the profiles, the shipping, the attributes, etc. It's just a matter of publishing it, so a very smooth, very user-friendly process for me. Product organization is another strength where you can sort it either by when it was updated or when it was created. Then you can sort it from the latest update or the earliest update. Then you can filter it in every which way possible. CedCommerce is great. If you hit certain limits in terms of units, then you can upgrade it, and they're flexible as well. If something doesn't work, then they're willing to listen to see what works for you. And so all in all, it's a great app, and I can highly recommend using CedCommerce for Etsy in my case, but any of their apps are great. So thank you very much. Again, my name is Hans van Putten. I'm the owner of Studio40ParkLane.